Today, I'm going to teach you how to play your very first piano game with your preschooler. I'm Miss Sherry from Music Time Kids. Welcome to my music room. Today, I'm going to teach you how to play my very first preschool piano game called Piano Race Game. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button for Music Time Kids and click the bell. Then you'll be notified every time I add a new video. In the description below, I have a link where you can download for free this game. The Piano Race Game includes a cover page, instructions, a colorful keyboard page, and the music alphabet letters. What you'll need to play this game are the pieces that you cut apart from the packet that you download, a piano, a full-size keyboard, or even a keyboard that has fewer keys. When you cut your pieces apart, I recommend laminating them so that they last longer. You'll also need some moving pieces. Many parents don't think that they have what it takes to teach their preschooler how to play piano because maybe they've never played the piano themselves. However, I've found that it's just like teaching reading. To teach your child to read, you just have to read a lot of books. To teach your child preschool piano, we're going to be learning some very basic concepts that all parents know about. In this game, the concepts that we're going to be learning are the music alphabet and where the low pitches and the high pitches are on the piano. The first thing I have students do is find the matches of the two black keys. And we cover every match on the piano. If you have a full-size piano, you'll have 7, and I always have them count once they have them all on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We find the groups of 3 black keys, and we put these cards on the piano. Then we count, again there's 7. The place where pianos can be different is down at the bottom of the piano. If you do not have a full-size piano, a lot of times they'll start right here or even right up here. And so it will start with C. But all full-size pianos start with the letter A. You'll be left with 2 notes that are not covered. That's why I recommend printing 3 pages of the colorful keyboard pages, because then I take one and cut just the A and the B out. And so we can discover that the music alphabet and the piano for full-size piano starts with the letter A. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And then what happens after G? Oh, there's no H, I, J, K. We start all over again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and so on and so on. To play the game, you're going to take 2 movers and place them both on A. To play the game, you're going to take your alphabet cards that you've cut apart, you're going to turn them over, and you'll take turns drawing A. Oh, that's the best card you could have gotten, because now you get to move to the very next A. And you take turns moving across to the right. G. You can also play with players starting on opposite ends of the piano and then deciding on one spot that will be the end, and whoever gets to that spot first is the winner. Once students are really good at playing this game, you can make it a little harder by playing from the right side, starting on the high notes, and working your way backwards in the alphabet and ending down at the bottom of the keyboard on A. There's one other thing I like to mention, and that's that little kids hate to lose. So instead of playing with one person being a mover and another person being a mover, you can let your child draw for each mover, and they can cheer for whoever is going to make it to the end. Oh, same note. First. And you can even have a child predict who the winner might be. I hope you have fun playing this game with your preschooler, because every parent can teach their child preschool piano.